this?
Yeah, yeah. Ah, it's good.
I'll let you.
It's nice.
Yeah,
Yeah. First time it's good.
seems to be working.
Yeah. Scraping coconut.
That's fresh coconut with the...
Yeah, it's fresh coconut.
Wow. We don't have that in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
We only have like apples and pears and no other tropical fruits.
It's imported. Yeah, coconut's imported.
Sometimes, yeah. But even...
Dus dat boos met eten. Sambal sauce.
Ah, yeah. It's good.
Yeah, we use it like the pot.
Okay.
Viens faire comment aussi.
Non, t'inquiète.
Vas-y, vas-y.